There's only one thing we needed to do, and that was to celebrate Freddie Mercury in this film. He is a marvel. There is only one Freddie Mercury, and nothing was going to compromise us giving him the love, celebration, and adulation he deserves.
It depends on us in the industry to not let it go back to where it was before.
So we're getting to a point where women are taking control and developing and starting production companies and nurturing stories that will give them good roles themselves and other good roles for women. And I really long for the day when it's not just a woman's movie, but just a good movie.
What was amazing is that Netflix went through all those filters. The fact that it's Mexican in Spanish or black and white or mixteco was never even mentioned. Everything was going to the core of what this film is about.